Hey, gold has been having a nice little rally here from the bottom recently of 1850. We're up here 1915 today. Coming to the bottom of some trend lines, and more importantly, the big area still coming up here. We just started entering. Really, this 1900 and 1980 is the value zone, so we're just coming back into value. Really, if you want to start selling heavy, I think 1950 up to 1980 is that area. That looks pretty fat to us, and I would look for a continued rally up into at least 1930 to 1950 to begin selling. And again, depending on how you do it, we like to sell options out of the money when we get back into value zones. We like to, whether it's puts or calls, that's how we kind of use this. Sometimes you just don't get the perfect price. We may never see 1950 or 1980, but those are levels that I want to be short at. So as we rise into those areas, I like to sell either outrights or options depending on how long we've been moving up. So this is one of the things that we use the profile for. It's a really easy way for us to trade around a position. If you have a core short, you can play it both ways. Once you're holding a short, you can buy options, sell options, go up and down the river, as nothing goes straight to the moon and nothing goes straight to the basement, as we like to say. So keep this in mind. Profile is just a great tool that can be used to establish zones and then put on different strategies, whether it's outrights or options and other derivatives. So have a great day. We just wanted to give a quick update on gold. And again, look for a little bit higher prices to begin selling.